Welcome everyone, MW over here. Gonna do a vid today, a market update. Gonna look at some markets, look at Bitcoin dominance and a lot of things that we will just go through at the moment. So first of all, push on the speed at 1.5. That way will help me speak a bit faster. Push on the like while you're putting on your speed, please. There's still a lot of views without any likes. Please guys, if you like my content, please push the like so we'll get this vid more trending. Also, if you are a social media manager or you're experienced in social media, DM me on X. My link is below in the description. Maybe we could partner up and help me grow my YouTube channel because we're struggling. The content is about the best in the markets. The problem is the marketing machine is fighting me and we need to fight back. So that's about that. Thanks all for watching. Let's dive in. VIX guys, VIX has been accumulating over here for a very long time. So as you guys can see, very long time of accumulation. We have got our first green weekly candle over here, but we didn't break this channel. So I share this also on Twitter. If this channel breaks out, hide, because if we will manage to find some strength and this thing will go up to the 30 levels or 35 levels, this will make the stocks suffer a lot and Bitcoin will probably suffer alongside with it. So if we would look also at the US 500, look at this guys. You're seeing the first weekly red candle was printed, and since then we're losing steam over here, really losing a lot of steam. Let's go to Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin made its move yesterday, and I explained yesterday you have to be a very short-term thinker on Bitcoin. And Bitcoin, every time when there are some tensions in the world globally, Bitcoin will get a lot of demand on spot buys on a lot of exchanges, and that's what moves the price up. But it's just temporary, so it's, in my opinion, I've got my theory about that. It's just buy, transfer it, the other one sells it, and that's it. So it's just that move up. But while that move up is happening, you can make a lot of money, just like the team was doing yesterday, trading the indicator. They made a lot of money. I've shared a lot of green P&Ls, and I'm so proud of these guys. I trained them right. Let me give you an example what they have been doing. Let me put on the indicator. If you want the indicator, by the way guys, there is a link below, a week's link below, and a maxi link below. And by the way guys, I'm in the end phase of my negotiation with my new partnership, and it will be a new exchange because Maxi is going KYC and I need a second one, non-KYC exchange. But this new one is going to be, it's a pretty famous one guys, by the way, and I think that a lot of retailers will be very happy if I partner up with this exchange. I think that a lot of people will also be trading over there to spread their risks on trading on exchanges, and especially on leverage. So guys, listen, this is what happened. It's exactly what I teach them. Over here we lost it. Okay, over here broke above it. This is bullish and entry. No, you wait until it gets confirmed on the indicator. And look what happened. 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, and there we go. And this is how all those green P&Ls that you saw yesterday, this is what they have been doing. This is what they have been trained to do. This is by far the best indicator out there in the markets. The only reason why this indicator is not getting what it deserves is because of the social media marketing machine that keeps blocking me. And why? Because I'm offering this for free for the ones that join the private group that are trading on Maxi or trading on Weeks and another exchange very soon. So a lot of people are very excited about that when that's going to come out. So when they're trading there, they can get into the private group and they will also get this indicator. And guys, this indicator is really mind-blowing, and I've made like 1,000 vids about this, 1,000 charts, 1,000 examples. If anyone can show me any indicator better than this one, just show. It's not because I made it, it's not because I'm the creator of it, it's because it's just how it is. And look at it. And I'm getting so angry from those that have got their heads when the sun doesn't shine. Just look at it. I'm showing you guys. Someone told me those P&Ls, those are bots. Bro, I'm not selling this indicator for a lot of money to deceive people and to scam people to believe in this. This is a free indicator. It's free. I've been offering this for free. It's only after, you know, sometimes I think to myself, why am I even bothering? But guys, if you want to make money, this is how you want to make money. It's not only this. If you join the free private in the trading courses, etc., I will teach you a lot of things, but this is one of the best tools to use to make money on the short term, and also on scalping. So you go in, make money, over here you get out and you made, you have to understand, guys, there are some people, retailers, especially in the team, a trade like this is 30-40k they make. Yeah, it's a lot of money. They make 30. I know, like, members from the team on this move, they make between 30 to 50k because they go in very heavy. Why? Because they're not afraid. You have to understand that they get out. If they would listen over here, this is what I teach them: break above, come back to the retest, and this is the confirmation that we go up. So they go in very heavy, and if it confirms that it closes below it, they take a small loss and they get out. So they're not afraid. So over here they go in. This is 2, 3, 5k gains, 4k gains, 7k gains, 5k gains, 7, 8, 10, 15, 20k, 25, 27, 30k, 25k, hold, 30k, 40k, 50k, 35, 40, 40k, and 40k. They take their 40k out. Guys, I'm not telling you I'm not telling you to do the same. You have to do it based on your portfolio. If you it depends on the portfolio. But if you are in the private, in the trading course vids, I'll explain exactly how much you have to risk and how to defend yourself from getting wrecked. But they make a lot of money over here, guys. They make a lot of money. But it is what it is. I want to show you guys something else. Look at this one. Look at this one, guys. Look at this one. Look at this one. I share this. Look at this breakout. Over here. Boom, boom, boom. Silver. Guys, everyone that knows me knows I'm super bullish on silver. I've been buying silver like crazy when it hit over here, but it was not about here. The last one we bought at 20 bucks. In the private group by that time, I told them I'm buying shitloads of silver over here. I told them. Not one time, not two times. I was screaming, I'm buying a lot of silver over here. 20 bucks is a steal. $35%. I'll take it. I'll take it. I know this 35%. We are crypto traders. For us, 35% we make that in a day. Yes, that's true. But silver, going very heavy. You're not buying some shit coin. This is silver as a commodity. You're going very heavy. So the 35% is just like maybe 3,500% on a crypto coin, on a crypto altcoin or Bitcoin. That's heavy. That's heavy. So that's that, guys. We're seeing some weakness over here on the market. So what is my expectation on Bitcoin? It didn't change. If you watch my previous vids, I'm just waiting for the dump. It's very simple. In the meanwhile, the team and everyone else are trading just the short-term move. So like over here, they jumped into a long, so they make a lot of money. They get out. Well, you get out over here, you wait, retest over here, short opened, and they're shorting now. But you have to be careful, because if we flip it to the 4 hour, look, you see, it came back to the indicator, and now it's holding, and it bounced very strongly. So for now, as long as we're 4 hours above it, we should remain bullish on the bull. So if we will lose this one, that's when a lot of more shorts will get opened. So it's just what I've been teaching you guys over and over again. You trade what you see and not how you feel or what you think. Because if some war tensions rise up and someone at the other side of the world needs a lot of money, and some other big whale, super whale, buys shitloads of Bitcoin, this thing will probably go up. It could even go up to the 80k levels. It could happen. That's why no matter how we feel, no matter what we think, we always trade what we see. It's that simple. You open up your chart, you open up your exchange, you look what's happening here, break up, back, long opened, and I'm making my money, and etc. etc. Every day again. And we're waiting for the 50k levels to hit. And when 50k levels hit, that's when we will be buying the blood again. Because by now we're almost at 52 on the indie on a weekly, guys. Because you have to see this thing every week. This thing will go up more and more and more and more. So 52k is really the level. And I think that crypto really needs a very nice, healthy pullback to get some more money back in. Because, you know, in my opinion, at this moment, there are only a lot of sellers available. And every pump that you're seeing is a scammy pump. It's just a pump for it. Let me not say it's scammy. It's on a purpose. So there is something going on. So if Bitcoin pumps, there is something going on. Because the pump we saw yesterday and the day before, I'm almost 100% sure I know why that pump happened. So, but it isn't a bullish pump in my opinion. So at some point the red candles will appear and they will come hard, and when they come hard, that's when we have to be ready to buy the blood again and again and again. And also, by the way, guys, trade the indicator on the low time frames. Make a lot of money shorting, because I'm telling you again and again and again, most professional traders that I know, they became, first of all, millionaires shorting markets before longing them. So keep that in mind. So that's about that. Dxy, guys, Dxy is just chopping around. We're retesting this level over here. If this thing will hold, this will be super bearish for the markets overall. As you guys can see, we broke out of this one. We're retesting at this moment, we're retesting this zone. So if this will hold, this is very important level to hold. It's also, look, the trend line is perfectly coming together with the indicator. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Guys, if this thing will happen, or if this thing will hold, listen, if it breaks down, it breaks down, and we just keep pumping. But if this thing will hold over here, because we broke above it over here, it will hold and it will bounce from here, go to the 105 to the 107 regions. Guys, there will be a lot of blood on the streets. And listen, this is what will drive that, because as you guys can see, this is the euro against the dollar. And as you guys can see, we had this hit over here, rejected, and now we're bouncing back up again. So we close even above it on the daily. So this level over here is now our next resistance. So, but you know, I think it will happen even earlier. So keep an eye on this one, guys. Keep an eye on the Euro USD. It will show the way. So for now, we're still looking bullish on the euro, but it can flip anyway. And guys, this one this one, it's really, they're holding the line here. So Japan is holding the line on the yen. And well, you know, it could go both ways. We're gonna lose support and just dump down, but I think there's a higher probability that we'll go up. But you know, with the Dxy, if the Dxy will retest over here, guys, if the Dxy will retest, I will put it on the daily. If the Dxy will retest over, it will hold the line and go up. I think it could destroy the yen even more. So I think that in that case, I think that this one will lose support and that will come down over here. I think that the yen will make new lows if this one keeps going up. Okay, so that's enough about the markets. A lot of people are watching this. MB, what are you showing us? What is this? What is this? We are crypto traders. Why are you showing us this? Why? We need crypto, guys. If you want crypto, if you need to understand crypto, I'm trying to show you guys if we have to be bullish or bearish. So when I know if I have to be bullish or bearish, that's when I can determine if how I'm going to trade crypto. So you know, it's very important to understand this, and I know that a lot of you don't want to understand this, but it's what makes you life-changing money. This is what makes you life-changing money when you nail this one. Well, look, the dominance chart. We're still really in this box. We're just chopping around over here. We're not dumping, so altcoins are not gaining any strength. So, you know, my target is 57%, so it's just a matter of when. And well, let's see if we'll reach it or not. Let me put on my alarm. I see that I'm not putting any alarms over here. So this is now, for now, it's just the 57. Or we're going to come down again to the 51 and then go. So we're just chopping on. Not a lot to see over here. So guys, I think I'm going to ramp it up. Altcoins, guys, at this moment, there is no altcoin I'm interested in. The ones that have been hit past weeks, I've took a lot of profits yesterday and the day before, just like shared. So I took a lot of profits from all my dip buyings from past weeks, and I'm really waiting to get filled on another dip now. So for now, it's just trading on the short term and waiting with a big bag of cash to buy the blood again, and that's it. And by the way, the gains that I made from the dip buys were between 15 to 40%. So 15 to 40%. There were some altcoins made 15%, some altcoins made 30%, some altcoins made 40%. So, you know, it's really mind-blowing how you can make so much money by just being patient. By just being patient, guys. You just be patient and you can make so much money. Let me show you guys, and I'm just randomly showing you guys something. Look at this one. Let me show you this one, for example. This is JLo. This is JLo. We had over here this bottom over here, bottom over here, bottom over here, sort of a triple. Look, this, if you start DCA buying over here based on Bitcoin, this could be a 15%. 15%. Let me just take another one. Let me take another. Well, not just another one of the coins that we are trading. Let me show you guys. Let me give you guys GLMR, for example. GLMR, for example. Our target was 40 cents. I made like 3-4 vids explaining that. So 40 cents, this was our target. So I've gotten hit at the 40 cents region over here. I've took some off the table, but look at this. It's also almost 20%. Almost 20%. Let me take another one. This one I didn't get filled on. That one I did get filled over here. I was filled over here. Yes, I filled. Cody filled me. Look at this. This was a bounce of also almost 20%. There was another one, 30-40%. I really don't know which one it was. Let me see how Near is doing. Near. What is Near doing? 30%. So, guys, this is how it works. When we are patient, we don't follow the FOMO. We just like when it was over here, guys. When it was over here, oh, let's go. No, we don't go. We wait. We put on our orders at low levels, and they get hit, and then we just wait for the bounce, and then the bounce happens. And then you're 20-30% gains on spot. I'm just talking about spot. I'm not talking about leverage here. 20-30% is a lot of money to make, but you need to be patient. You need to be patient. You need to have patience, because if you're not patient, if you don't own any patience, you will get wrecked. You will get wrecked. So that's how you're gonna make money, and we did it for like 100 times past 2-3 years, and we're gonna do it again. So I'm going to make an altcoin vid soon, very soon. I'm waiting for my new partnership to hit, and that's when I will make the new altcoin vids. Please watch. I made 3 very important vids past what was it, 2 days ago. I made 3 on Sunday, I think. Yes, I made 3 important vids. Watch those vids. I shared my buy levels, and I shared what I'm going to do. So those altcoins also are top 10, top 20 coins. So please do watch that vid and buy and check those buy orders, because I will buy exactly as shared over there. Please guys, push on the like if you like this content. If you want to join us, there are week's link below. Open up an account. There are great bonuses over there. You're trading almost for free with those bonuses. It's really madness. Or trade a maxi. If you want the indicator, join the free private, and I will give you the code, and I will also teach you how to drive it. Thank you very much. Have a nice one, and bye bye.